limited to Kandy district. Nearly 1,700 vehicles were inspected, and without interrupting drivers. In one phase and another phase, we interrupted drivers when we stopped drivers and collected some information. So this was a simple form we used to collect data with a coding system like this. When a vehicle goes, there were two students, actually the other co-authors were my students in the faculty, and they were given a coding system. They had to say what the vehicle type and what the number plate type and what is the error. So that was the code, vehicle type, number plate category, and error within the number plate, and error with the back number plate, front number plate and back number plate. So these are the codes given. Motorbikes were labeled as 1, three-wheelers 2, cars, vans, jeeps, SUV, blah, blah. Right? And these are the 8 different types of vehicle categories we selected. And these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to the vehicle number plate categories with full usage, without full usage, etc. And these were the problems we noticed. If the number plate is without any errors in the observation, it was labeled as 0. Otherwise, there are 6 categories. Right? Please check this one, 4. Number 4 is not fixed in the correct manner. So that was the biggest problem we had in this country in the vehicle fleet, the number of vehicles we inspected. And this is the only mathematics coming in this presentation, because this was just a grassroots level problem, and to get the authorities' eyes open to seriously think about where are we moving and should we continue in this way. And can we go for ITS even if we have expressways, even our roads are carpeted and allow drivers to drive at 120 kilometers per hour if they end up with accidents. So this is the only probability theories we use: the vehicle number, vehicle type, and then the percentage of each vehicle, and then whether the number plate is properly done or not, properly fixed or not. And what are the errors: correct place, correct fixed, damage, erosion, correct color. So each vehicle type, there's a percentage coming. So the first step in this study was to get an idea about the representative percentages of various vehicles. If you are in transportation field, you may know about, we have about 10% of three-wheelers in this country, but if you do a study on roads, you will find the vehicle composition vary in town of from 17% to 30% depending on the time. So 19% of three-wheelers, 17% of motorbicycles, 18% of cars, 24% of vans, like that. So there were 542 vehicles in this road segment called Gelioia-Peradeniya. That is the main A-class road. And these are the number plates. If you want to pay special attention to this, you will find most of the three-wheelers are with number B category. That means most of the three-wheelers are quite new in this country. And the other side of the story is the lifetime of a three-wheeler is very less. And then, I mean, these are some other side outputs of this study, and we are elaborating on those in other areas. And cars, vans, jeeps, you will find all type of number plates. That means cars, vans, jeeps contributes from different type of number plates. Right, and then this is how the number plate errors were collected from the form I indicated. These are the errors. You may remember 1, font type, and 4, fixing error, 6, damaged, and 0 means no errors. I put the total numbers here for you to get some idea about the total numbers. Of course, we can get percentages also if you want. You will find the biggest error in motorbikes is fixing errors. Usually, motorbicycle riders fix their number plate and then bend it due to some reason, front as well as back. So that is about motorbikes, and this is about three-wheelers. You can find majority of three-wheelers are in A category, that is vehicle with fuel type. And again, the highest error is number 4. And this is about cars. Cars, you will get all type of errors. I don't want you to read all these numbers, just to indicate how this details collected on the field. This is about vans, and this is about buses, and this is about lorries, light good vehicles, heavy good vehicles. So these are the different types of vehicles representing the subject area, study area. And if I take one vehicle type specifically, motorbikes, right, you will find this much of wrong, this much of wrong number plates in back, this much of wrong number plates in front. So I did not know actually until I did this study. I thought all the back number plates are bad in our country, but the front number plates are very bad in our country. So, which means it's highly effective for automatic vehicle recognition systems, especially in ERPs. Normally the front number plate is recognized. Of course, if there's any high speeding or any error, front and the back are recorded. So mainly our front number plates are in very bad shape. So these are the quality of back number plates. correct and wrong. You can see the back number plates, majority are good, but this is front number plates. The front number plate sign in really bad shape. Either it is damaged, either it is strongly fixed, etc. And then these about other road types we conducted. So altogether we did survey about 1,700 vehicles. This was the simple the statistics or probability equations we use: percentage of cars, amount of correct number plates, and amount of wrong number plates. So these are the results: 34.6 good, 66.73 good or number plate. Geliyo peradaniya galha survey and take the 100 less of this to find how many number plates are bad. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of my very simple study and very simple presentation. So seriously think about the quality of number plates if you are really worried about IT applications in this country. Thank you very much.